Hi guys, in this video I would be showing you top 5 must-have WordPress extensions. Well, the first one and the most interesting one is called Really Simple SSL. What it does is it converts all your HTTP links to HTTPS links. It also gives you suggestions on how to make your website more secure and become more Google friendly. So basically your SEO is automatically improved, and it also helps you to basically be more friendly with Google, as I said, in a sense with Google's search console. So if Google is crawling your website, it understands that you are secure website. Now, as you can see that my SSL is activated on my website, but still there are a lot of open tasks I need to complete. So the pricing, basically this is a free premium product. The starting and the basic features are free. However, you can purchase and go for pro version. But I highly recommend this. Even the basic version, the free version is enough. The second most wanted WordPress extension is called Rank Math. The Rank Math SEO is one of the best SEO extension on WordPress. Now, why it's one of the best is because it has the free version. It has a lot of features. Monitor your 404, monitors your rank on SEO, and supports SACF. It also has another plugins which you can install, and it helps you to connect with them. Then it can connect with Google Analytics, many other like content eye, image SEO, indexing, redirection, local SEO, link counters, schema structure, role manager, and you can see which of them are pro version, which of them are free, and you can see that most of them are free, right? And yeah, there's a setup wizard which you need to do, which you need to go through, and all you have to do is just follow these steps, and once these steps are followed, the extension would be visible on your WordPress dashboard. Now, what's the cool thing about this is also when you are, most of us have Elementor to edit our website, and inside Elementor it has this SEO version where you can see the preview of your website, and you can see your basic SEO errors where you can improve your website SEO. And this is really helpful for me because most of the time I'm editing my website on Elementor, and having this SEO tab just over here actually saves a lot of time for me. The second part is when I am making a blog, which I write a lot, and you will also see about this video. Will write a blog with all the URLs and links would be in that blog. Also, the download links would be there for all these plugins. And when writing my blog, I usually use Rank Math extension because it gives me focused keywords, gives me what all errors I'm making, and it also gives me suggestions what I should do to be more Google friendly and improve my SEO of my website. The third one on the list is WP Optimize, and this is the best optimizer extension in the market. Why? Because it optimizes all your database, it cleans your pending comments, it removes pingbacks, tracebacks, cleans your metadata, and also clean offended relationship data. Not only that, it also compresses the images which you upload. It clears the cache, and it has this minify version which processes the unused HTML, JavaScript files, and CSS files. Not only this is a package in one WordPress, but it makes your website a lot faster. That is why WP Optimizer, you should run this every week or every month depending on how much users and how much big is your website is. Fourth on the list is the redirection WordPress extension. And with the redirection WordPress extension, it makes me very easy to redirect those URLs which are dead or are giving 404 error or any other 501, 301 error to a new URL. Now what happens is when we go on Google Search Console, we see that some of the URLs are dead and are and could be used as redirection. Basically, we created something on them, and now they still exist on the internet on our website, and they have some good views. You have used those URLs on your blogs, or you use those URLs on your YouTube channels, and you just want to keep them. The fifth and the last one is the pop-ups. Now, the pop-ups are one of the most used way or effective way to get the emails or show offers to your visitors online. And pop-up is free. Secondly, it can be integrated with Ninja Forms and HubSpot CRMs, which basically enhance its features. And therefore, I preferred this pop-up. It helps me to get a lot of subscribers. It has this feature of storing cookies, which basically um, I can change, and I can trigger its behavior based on what I want to do. And these features also are very carefully added into this WordPress extension, which makes it one of my top 5 extension, whether your website is an e-commerce website, subscription website, or it's a blogging website, lifestyle website, entertainment website. You still need pop-ups now and then. So these are my top 5 WordPress extensions. Do share your comments and let me know which one was your favorite one and which one you're gonna be using right now. Till then, see you in the next video.